Does your car feel like it is stumbling, shaking, or losing power when you try to accelerate? That is what we call a misfire, and it is your engine screaming for help. A misfire happens when the combustion process in one or more of your engine's cylinders fails to fire at the exact right moment, or fails to fire at all. For an engine to run smooth, it needs three things: air, fuel, and spark. If any one of these is missing or timed incorrectly, that cylinder goes dead, and you feel that rhythmic jerking motion. In the United States, if this happens, your check engine light will usually pop on, often flashing repeatedly, which is a sign you need to pull over immediately. The most common culprits are usually ignition-related, like worn-out spark plugs, bad spark plug wires, or a failing ignition coil pack. However, it can also be a fuel injector issue, or a vacuum leak throwing off the air-fuel mixture. In more serious cases, you might be looking at a blown head gasket, which sits between the engine block and the cylinder head. If your engine has overheated recently, that gasket can fail, letting coolant leak into the cylinder, killing the spark. If you ignore a misfire, you are not just risking a rough ride, you are dumping raw fuel into your exhaust system, which can destroy your catalytic converter, a repair that can cost thousands of dollars. So, if you feel that stutter or see that flashing light, do not push it. Get your car to a mechanic and have them scan for codes to pinpoint exactly which cylinder is misbehaving. Catching it early saves your engine and your wallet. See you in the next video.